A very good morning, everyone. So today I'm watching NVDA mainly because the market looks like garbage, to be honest. NVDA is the only stock that I kind of like. Again, not really good. But yeah, let's see. It's 9:29. Let's see. My hotkeys should be better today. I mean, they should work. I have updated the hotkeys. Hopefully they work. February 23rd, which is Friday. Yep, if I trade, I think 190 calls. So let me load it up. But yeah, I think we are good to go. My dash just froze. Now it's working. Yeah, there's a delay. Yeah, the R wall is also low across the board today. I don't know what has happened to this market. It needs a huge wake up call. Like Tesla R wall is 42%, which is so bad. Yeah, Nvidia got rejected from R3. So yeah, $850 red. Just not too bad. It's actually green, $800 approximately. But yeah, I mean, if you take 50 contracts, it's on the lower side. You can lose like this. It's always less than 10%. But yeah, Tesla R wall is like 52% now. PLTR kind of looks decent. Still sick, sorry guys for the cough. And PLTR. PLTR is also not working. Yeah, I should have waited for this 5 minutes close, to be honest. Yeah, this was a stupid loss. Yeah, I might not take a position now because I took two losses back to back and there's nothing good anyways. AMD closed really bearish on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, AMD was actually a decent shot. Amazon hit my alert. What is Amazon doing? Amazon is above R4. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just wait it out a bit to see if we get a setup on NVIDIA or something. Because NVIDIA is also trying to go. So I don't wanna, maybe I just have like one more trade. If that is also red, I'm gonna call it. And one more trade also if I actually see and find anything. Yeah, AMD would have been nice. Yeah, AMD is actually the best price action. This 197 would have been nice. Yep, let's see. I do not take any stupid trades now. Second trade on PLTR was really stupid. First trade on NVIDIA, I don't mind it, but yeah, PLTR, I should have been a bit more patient, and that's why, like, I was just about to execute again. I was like, be a bit more patient. Seems like a decent close on the 5 minutes, so now it can be a decent setup. Yeah, the 5 minutes closed nice on PLTR. Very small size on PLTR. That 1 minute low is my stop. Because this 5 minutes actually looks decent if we actually go for this R4 break. If not, it's not good. Let's see. So my sizing is not like I'm trying to get green for the day, no, because if you're more red, yes, I could have taken like 50 contracts, but that's not the point. I don't want to lose. Like yesterday, you guys saw I made like 3.3k. If I take another 30, 40 contracts, I have lost most of what I made yesterday. So that is not what I want to do. In trading, I say if you just think or do the opposite, if you don't do what you think or what you want to do, you're going to make money. I so wanted to size up on it. If you just do the opposite of what most people are doing and what you do when you're on losing money or you are in a red mindset, just do the opposite. Try your best to just do the opposite to what your normal behavior would do, and the 99% of the people do it, you're going to make money. I would have taken 50 contracts nicely green for the day. Would have been like a nice nice recap for the day. I would have like, okay, been happy, but that's not what we can do, right? Yesterday, I just don't want to go red for the week. If I'm up like 3.3k yesterday, I don't want to lose everything today. I hope it continues. Again, hope won't pay the bills, but 137.9 being the high at the moment, I don't like it. Okay, so we broke above 138. Yeah, nice one. Yeah, this was a nice move. Proud of this trade. I'm also proud of my sizing on this trade as well. So let me know in the comment section below. The normal thought process for you guys is also like to size up, right? That's what I want. I had my hands on 30 contracts or 50 contracts, maybe even 100 contracts. But that would have put me red for the week. Am I willing to do that to myself? So you need to ask that question to yourself. Let me know in the comment section below. The normal behavior, or is it only me? Am I stupid? Or for you guys also the normal behavior is to size up after being red. You forget about how much green you are for the week, for the month. You forget about that. I wish I held my whole position. This would have been like a green day for me. Damn. Damn. Fuck's sake. Oh, sorry for that, guys. This was a bad one. It hurts. It hurts. Just shaked up my whole body. My eyes hurt. I don't feel that good, but just this cough. If you guys have any solution for this, let me know, guys, in the comment section below. Just dry cough. I never used to get, not never, I rarely used to get sick in Australia. In Dubai, I think the weather, the dust, the atmosphere, population as well, people are living close to each other compared to Australia. There are barely any people in Australia. Only kangaroos. We're joking, but Nvidia is also going up now. Sorry, where is Nvidia? Yeah. Nvidia might actually be decent. Let's see. I'm gonna open Nvidia here. And the thing is, I only have this one layout. I can move. I had more pages. Why can't I see those pages? Yeah, these pages. But why are these pages not showing? They were here. Okay. Yeah, so I have these more pages. Oh, okay, that's why. I'm gonna just save this layout. PLTR also dropped. Sorry, again, can't do anything. Come on, man. I'm only in like 2 contracts now, so it's okay. But this 5 minutes close is I will have to exit. As per my exit criteria, I should exit if the 5 minutes close is like this. I mean, still holding the moving averages on the 1 minute. Yeah, if you don't hold 138, I'm gonna exit. Still holding 2 contracts. But yeah, show some love in the comment section, guys. Rarely anyone does it, like live execution window. People say live trading. A lot of people are doing live trading. Not everyone, but 90% of them, they don't show the order window. I entered here, I exited here, I made 20K, I made 30K, I made 100K, but you don't see execution window. Where did they enter? Where did they exit? You don't see that. This is actually live trading. So I still get comments. Why don't you do live session on YouTube? I mean, can do it, but that is just like another stress piling up on your trading stress already. But this is like, I promised you guys, my plan is to post every day this week. I would have posted 1800 red as well. This is going to be a bit smaller red, hopefully. But yeah, but this is live trading. You guys see my execution window. You guys see me in real time. So this is actually live trading. A lot of people are posting live trading, making this much amount of money, but you don't see anything. You just see this. I will tell you what you see. You just see this. Man, come on, I entered right here, I exited right here, right? I made $50,000 or whatever. You just see that. You don't see this. Nothing else is there in the market. AMD also S4. Look at AMD. Look at these cam levels. Prior days low in S3. Just found support and boost. Might actually be decent above 200. Yeah, this 5 minutes is not giving me confidence. Another kind of shitty close on the 5 minutes. Good thing is that we still haven't made... No, I spoke a bit too early. It's a decent close on the 5 minutes. See how like in the last 5 seconds of the 5 minutes, it just completely changed. It's actually nice now. Real time. This was my thought process. Oh, you're closing like a doji, but no, we closed decent. I actually want to add a bit if I get a good entry, but I don't think so I'm going to get a good entry. The market is also pushing up now. Sorry for all the coughing, guys. To be honest, because I promised you guys I'm going to post a recap every day this week. Otherwise, I would not have posted this recap on a normal day because of this much coughing. I would have felt like I would have been embarrassed posting this recap, but I have to post it. But it's actually turning out to be now boring. Just holding 2 contracts. Might cut this video a bit. Actually, there's nothing else. I'm going to pause it because it's 9:56 at the moment. I'm going to turn this recording back on at 10 a.m. It's just going to be a long recording for no reason. So we broke out. Patience paid, whatever. 140 approximately. 140.06 is the R6. We are going for R6. Damn. That would have been a nice ad, definitely. Really good price action on PLD. Surprisingly. Covered one more. I just have one contract now. So even as of now, even if we remove this contract from the equation, I made more money on the smaller size trade than I lost on the big size trades. So my first trade was on NVDA, 50 contracts, approximately 15K worth of position, $15,000. Second was 10,500, approximately 30 contracts, 3.50 fill. Last trade was on approximately $5,000, slightly above $5,000. So I made the most money on the smallest size trade, same as yesterday, surprisingly. So that is one thing to note. That is how you review and journal your trading. Or the other thing is going to be just be a bit more patient off the open. So instead of taking these losses, PLTR tried here. But yeah, after this 5 minutes confirmation, this was pretty good. Wasn't a bad trade, but I just felt it that it might not go. So the first test failed, but it could have worked out as well. So it wasn't like a very bad trade, but I should have known better because of the experience and the intuition. So I just have high expectations from myself. Been trading for a few years now. So when I took that trade, my intuition told me it's going to be a losing trade. So when I get that feeling, I'm like, why did you take it? So now NVDA is actually pushing up. Let's see if we hold above this R4. I think I'm going to close this PLTR. Because we tested R6, so PLTR I think is done. Yeah, this 5 minutes might actually close under R4. Let's see. No, I think it's going. I don't know. I have a feeling it's gonna go. Again, not a big size for like it's NVDA, so 30 contracts. Opening trade was on 50. I like that it's holding R4 on the 1 minute, but not the 5 minutes, but also the high of the day is on top of us. So we might get a bit of momentum above high of the day. Yeah, NVIDIA big seller got taken out, but that is not a good sign. Still haven't made a new high. I told you that seller was not a good sign. Yeah, I want this 5 minutes to close above R4. If not, I'm gonna exit. Damn. Buyers are coming in, but yeah, the Bookmap, I can show you new sellers. You guys can see 36,000 shares, 24,000 shares. It's trying, the buyers are there, and that's why I'm holding it. But if the new sellers keep on appearing, it's not good, definitely. So we made a new high of the day. That's nice. Okay, nice. Took 10 out just in case. Yeah, I think it's gonna close above R4 now. I have a minute to go, but yeah, it can change. It's NVDA. It likes to wick out a lot. Okay, I actually turned out to be. I haven't exited yet, so I should not get ahead of my. So Tesla also got a bit of momentum. Yeah, this market is just like opening trades have all been losses. This market is just moving a bit later in the day. I'm just typing my positions in the Discord group. Very strong 5 minutes close on NVDA. Very strong. This candle, look, it opened near the low, close near the high. The thing is, NVIDIA doesn't pay a lot. Like this move I caught from here approximately made 10%. That's how NVIDIA pays. Yeah, I think time to exit. Let's see. Tesla also nice volume came in at this breakout. Is it start of something? Yeah, Tesla was actually decent. Look at this. The volume came in nicely. Yeah, I ain't feeling it. I'm out of it. And might be done for the day. It can go just like 10 contracts on NVDA. The way it moves, I'm gonna catch another kind of this move. I'm gonna make like $200 more. So not worth the stress. And yeah, but most likely it doesn't go. I'm not feeling it. Like it just grabs new sellers. So just order flow breakdown for you. The same thing happened right here. We were trying to break out 36K. This was 24K increase in size. Then this was 30K increase in size, which is still okay, 189.5. And right now again, 15,000 increase in size, 10,000 increase in size. And that's why we dropped. And that's why I exited. So I should be better in speaking this out loud, the order flow breakdown. I see it on the left hand side. You guys see me that I just quickly glance what's happening. But yeah, so we had a few comments that break down the order flow. That's why it's easy to break down, right? It's just about can you think and can you see these things and act on these things in real time. And that's what we teach you inside the Summit Academy. And today also like the risk management class, it just reminds me of Summit Academy. So I'm just putting what I teach in practice. If you just do what the other 99% of the people are doing, you're going to make money. At the moment, yeah, we can retest R3, but do I want to hold 10 contracts? I most likely went like these 10 contracts went red. So price action can hold R3, can go for R4, right? So yeah, it can happen. But me being from red to green, I don't have the leverage to fuck up now, right? If I go red again, what's the point? This is not trading. This is just like, okay, I see a candy, I want that candy. That's not the case. Like, this is candy at the moment. Do I want it? Okay, no, I already had a lot of candies. So you need to have that mindset. There is money to be made in the market every single second. You can short something or long something. There's a 50% chance you're going to make money. Should you take it? That's the thing. It's all about doing the opposite to what your intuition, not your intuition, what your behavior, your personality wants to do. Humans are not wired to trade. And if you are just able to fight that instinct, difficult to do. So it was fairly decent, easy for me to do because I was only down like 1,700. Now the worst part is that, say I was down $5,000. If I'm already red for the week, I was green for the week yesterday, made 3.3k. But if I lose that, then I'm like, what am I fighting for? I'm already red for the week, and that leads to revenge trading mindset, right? So you guys know where I'm coming from now, right? So it's because I had something that I don't want to go red for the week. I took it a bit slow. But if I don't have that, I lost like $4,000 within the first 2 trades. There is a very high likelihood, very high chance that I'm going to get into revenge trading mindset and just like, I'm already red for the week, might as well keep trading. And that's how the revenge trading starts. No one wants to do it. It just starts like that because you just have to be mindful. And that's the good thing and bad thing about trading is that you can do everything right 9 out of 10 days. The 10th day, you don't do everything right, or maybe a few things right. You mess up on your risk management. It just takes 1 day to give back everything. So that is why trading is easy and difficult at the same time, because if you're an athlete, if you play games, even if you are injured, if you don't play at your best one of the days, it's okay. You won't lose money. Anyone won't take money from your account. If the best athlete in the world, like LeBron James or Cristiano Ronaldo, they don't play nicely for like a few days, few weeks, they are still making money. They are still making money. Best believe they are still making money. But for us, we don't have the leverage to fuck around because then we lose money. That's why trading is difficult. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here. Again, I have to sort this out for you guys. I'm just going to do one thing. I'm going to extend it. I'm going to sort it out, guys. I'm going to sort it out. So, damn. Where did that go? Where did that go? Yeah. So you guys can take a screenshot of my entries and exits, and everything happened live in front of you. And I am green $160 for the day right here. And I was down $1,800 for the day. So that is pretty much it for me. Thank you for joining in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Again, let me know in the comment section below what's your normal thought process when you're red for the day. Like, I sized down. I wanted to size up. I wanted to do that. But if you just stop doing what you want to do and you start doing what you should do, you will start making money. Think about this sentence again. And once you think about it, let me know in the comment section below, does it apply to your trading as well? Thank you for joining in. I will see you guys in the next one.